Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Peter and this is my colleague Shreya. We both are research assistants from Wittich Lab, which is supervised by Dr. Walter Wittich, who is associate professor at the optometry school here at the Université de Montréal. We are going to give you a quick overview of our lab.
Our research lab focuses on various aspects of low vision research, including research on concurrent hearing and vision loss or dual sensory impairment, with a special attention to study the effect of comorbidities such as hearing, vision, and cognitive impairment.
Diversity is one of our characteristics and one of our strengths. We are a lab composed of approximately 15 team members collaborating in different research projects. The different educational degrees among the lab members enables a nice environment for everyone. Also, the different educational backgrounds and the diversity and life experience makes our research work stronger. Our team members' background comes from art, psychology, medicine, occupational therapy, physiotherapy, social work, and others. The cultural aspect of our lab is also very broad. We are not only from Canada, but also from the US, Asia, Europe, South America, Africa, offering us a singular opportunity to learn with and about other cultures and values.
In addition, we have a flexible working environment with in-person and remote meetings and discussion where team members connect from different locations around the world. We also have hybrid weekly lab meetings to follow up on the projects. In these meetings, Dr. Wittich encouraged philosophical discussions, giving us the space to share our feelings, and it's also an opportunity for team members to connect with each other.
Now I will give you a quick overview of one of our projects called Words on the Brain. This project is done in collaboration with the Canadian Consortium for Neurodegeneration in Aging, the CCNA Team 17, which is a country-wide research team whose overarching goal is to better understand how dual sensory and cognitive loss combine and interact, affecting individuals' everyday functioning, communication, social participation, and quality of life. We already know that changes in vision and in memory become more frequent as we age. We also know that problems with vision and memory are often correlated. And both may progress more quickly when the brain is not receiving enough stimulation through the senses. What we don't know yet, and this is our research question, is if reading improves memory after visual rehabilitation by providing the brain with more visual stimulation. To answer this question, our study will follow 150 individuals with low vision who will participate in a reading-focused visual rehabilitation for 1 year and 50 control participants who will not undergo the visual rehabilitation. These 200 participants will be tested 3 times for reading, memory, and hearing abilities. So the first session will be before the start of the visual rehabilitation, a second session 6 months after the start of the visual rehabilitation, and the third and final test session 12 months after the start of the visual rehabilitation. After the third and final test session, we will have a huge amount of data from low vision participants and also control participants that will be analyzed. This analysis will answer our research question, telling us if reading improves memory after visual rehabilitation or not. At the end of this study, we hope that our research will contribute to new therapeutic and preventive approaches for cognitive problems, especially among older people. Participating in such a study is a super nice opportunity for you to become a co-author in research articles, to learn different steps of a research project, to learn how to apply different tests in a research context, and to learn how to handle and process research data. It is also a great opportunity for you to see what is exactly working in the research world.
The International Classification of Functioning, Disability, and Health Core Set for Deafblindness, a systematic literature review protocol, is another project we are working on. ICF framework was developed by the World Health Organization and is adopted by 144 member countries. The systematic review is an international project where we have 52 people from 12 different countries. The project is conducted according to the WHO guidelines and ICF research branch to develop the ICF core set. The aim of this project is to identify the aspects of functioning that are described or evaluated in the scientific literature related to deafblindness, and then to link the meaningful concepts in the identified articles to ICF categories using the established linking rules. So far, we have identified articles on deafblindness on various databases, and now we are linking the meaningful statements extracted from the studies related to functioning in deafblindness with the ICF categories. Once this project is done, 144 member countries will adopt these categories in identifying deafblindness as a significant health condition in clinical, social, educational, and political sectors. By participating in this project, the team members had various learning opportunities, like conducting a systematic review by screening relevant articles and extracting data, learning the WHO, ICF, and linking rules, and also the team members can contribute to manuscript writing and have an opportunity to publish as a co-author. Lastly, we would like to thank you for joining us and we hope you enjoyed our lab tour.
Thank you.